Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Ireland. And by the way, I'm pretty sure, is this New Year's Eve? If so, happy New Year's Eve. I hope you're all alone. Maybe one or two people. If that. I hope you're just all alone in isolation, drinking yourself into a coma. So we got some Newgate Express Instant Noodles Prawn flavor. These came from a guy named Keon from Ireland, whose name I've butchered in the past, but he clued me in. Thank you, sir. Thoroughly appreciative of that. Got 3 minutes on the hob. That's what they call it. They call it the hob, not the stove. But, yeah, those come from a store called Lidl. Lidl. Big supermarket. Possibly, I don't know, they might refer to that as a hypermarket over there. Yeah. It's time for our quote of the day from our good friend and friend Momofuku Ando from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. This is the book of quotes by Momofuku Ando. If you're a Star Trek fan, it's kind of like the Ferengi Rules of Acquisition of instant noodles. Number 91. The expectation that a company can grow... Oh, wait, we already did that. Number 92. My experiences tell me that the situation... That once the situation enters a downturn, corporate assets are exhausted at lightning speed. My experiences tell me that once the situation... My experiences tell me that once the situation enters a downturn, corporate assets are exhausted at lightning speed. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ando. So, how's your day going? Got up early, did a bunch of walking, kind of cold, cold enough. Yeah, it was reasonably cold. Walked around a bunch, talked to Stumpy from Arkansas. He's kind of in a quandary these days. His collegiate career hasn't gone exactly as he really hoped. And it's tough. It's kind of at a turning point. So, big props to good old Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas. And what else is going on? Just got done with school for today. Very happy about that. Well, Mimi still got hers. Hi, Miles. How you doing? You good? I'm glad. Miles, ladies and gentlemen, he's good. He's a big fan of Keith Mansfield. Oh, you're taking pictures? Very nice. And yeah, it's just been a morning. It's how it goes when you have two children that are in distance learning. I couldn't understand like how it would be possible to have like both of them on tablets at the same time. No. Sometimes I hear like parents and you can hear that both of their kids are on devices at the same time. You're like, oh look, I hear this learning. I hear the stuff that we're on. Oh my god. They've got two kids and they're both on devices. Wow. Can you imagine we had 3 kids that were like 4, 5, and 6? First off, the poor mother. That poor woman. But aside from that, just the management of that. Crikey. Alright. So, we are all done here. Time just to stir this up. I'm hoping this one's pretty good. I hope it's something. Papa working on stuff over here, buddy boy. Well, it's not time for me yet. I'm not done. I'll let you know in a few minutes, okay? You go play. I'll be back in a minute or two, okay? Papa's got to test out these noodles by Lidl of Ireland. My friend who sent me these was not very enthusiastic about them. Cheers. Of what I've tried so far, I think of all of them, this is probably the best, and that's not saying a lot. I'm not really all that thrilled with it. It's kind of bland, kind of funk. So let's put that there. Cat, I'm happy. We got this. Remember, this is prawn flavor. I decided to go with you there. Oh. Let's go. You there, and you there. We will go with a little bit of this spring onion. A bit of mung bean sprout. What's gonna go good with this? Obviously, I want to use some crushed red pepper. And I guess some sesame seeds. I don't know if I need to do that. But I try and make things, a little festive. Yeah, why not? Alright, ladies and gentlemen. This is done as it's gonna get. So let's allow Rotato. Get everything all centered. Ooh, no. It's hard. I just wish I could find a way to... Yeah, that's a project that would be really helpful. But like the other project I'm dealing with, I'll tell you on the next episode about my horrible project. Which shouldn't even be what one would put to the terminology of project, but anyways, Rotato, do your stuff. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, yeah, thanks again to Keon from Ireland for sending me these Irish supermarket Noodles. Newgate Express from Vital. Next one we're gonna have will be something Japanese for the U.S. market. A tonkatsu for the first day of 2021. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet, like, subscribe, click that bell. You're gonna get a lot of content from me, baby. And yeah, bye-bye 2020. You sucked. You sucked out of, I don't know. But 2020 wasn't all that great, so it's a better thing.